Thank you. After working around 22 years at AIMS as a professor, joint replacement surgeon, then I worked in the Gangaram Hospital as a chairman, joint replacement department for 2 years. Then working in Primus Hospital, it is very high volume, very well-known center for the joint replacement. And basically, arthritis care is an integrated teamwork. And orthopedic surgeon is part of that arthritis care team. So that is most important. We are just team. We should not counter each other. And basically, if I have not prescribed even a single person to DMARD in my life, I don't do as an orthopedic surgeon. I just refer them. I have not done even at AIMS, even in the Gangaram Hospital. I just, whenever something मेरे को समझ में नहीं, I will refer them. I am surgeon, I will do surgery whenever it is required. So I am doing, so it is really, we need you more than us. So first of all, in the treatment, find out the cause of the pain. Because joint is surrounded by muscle, ligament, even bone. It is formed by the end of bone. So it is really arthritic origin pain, most important. Rule out the other causes. Like in the hip pain. Their hip pain, sometimes it may be because of referred pain from the spine. In the knee pain. So rule out pain because of all surrounding structure, then rule out the referred pain as well in the knee. Sometimes hip is damaged, avian hip is there. Patient doesn't complain pain in the hip joint, he complain pain in the knee joint. So rule out the pain in the cases of knee, hip, referred pain and spine as well. So now about the osteoarthritis. Up to this level, this is the work of basically rheumatologist and physician. They should treat them. And our role start from stage 3 and 4. Especially in late stage 3, where surgical intervention may be required. And its surgical intervention may be, as Dr. Prathamesh told, maybe joint preserving intervention or joint sacrificing in desperate situation. That is the last resort. So inflammatory joint is little tricky to treat them, to operate them, because everything is inflamed. And here our strategy is little different. We are more gentle, more careful when we are operating the inflammatory knee. And in comparison to the degenerative, you can see that these are the grotesque, ugly deformity in the rheumatoid arthritis, especially from the juvenile time. So aim of the management is preservation of natural joint by all means. That is most important. Though I am a replacement surgeon, even then I will try to preserve natural joint at any cost. And control the disease, relieve the symptoms, and restore the function. If functions are not restored, even after the good exercises, physiotherapy and drug, and joint is badly damaged, then surgery may be required. So regarding the conservative treatment, as I told you, in all the early stages, whether it is inflammatory or non-inflammatory arthritis, when cartilage is preserved up to some extent, we have to preserve the joint. And most important thing is tell patient कि आपको परेशानी क्या है. And if he knows the basic of problem, then whatever you say him, he will do that. Otherwise, वो follow नहीं करेगा. Whatever you have told them. So general measure, weight reduction. बहुत से dispute हैं दुनिया में, दौड़ना चाहिए नहीं दौड़ना चाहिए, दौड़ने से आपके घुटने खराब हो जाते हैं. I am 55 plus, still jogging 6 to 8 kilometers per day. So all things are debatable, disputable, but one thing which is not debatable, that is weight. Weight definitely destroys the joint, so it leads to early osteoarthritis. So weight reduction, modification of activity, that is most important. Even I say on TV programs, हम हिंदुस्तानी है, हमारी कल्चरल एक्टिविटी है, पालती मार के उकड़ू बैठना, ये सब करना है. बट आई से बीच का रास्ता. अगर एक स्टेज पे सभी को परेशानी होने लगती है, एट द स्पेशली इन द फीमेल अराउंड द एज ऑफ 40, इफ यू आर हैविंग प्रॉब्लम व्हाइल इन दीज एक्टिविटी, अवॉइड. दैट इज द सिग्नल, दैट इज द टाइम, अवॉइड दीज एक्टिविटी. And some shoe modification, braces, it also helps. And exercise is most important that patient is not being taught. Patient के पास 10-10 दवाइयाँ लिखी होती हैं, क्या एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो? पेशेंट को डॉक्टर साहब हमें तो कुछ ऐसा बताया नहीं एक्सरसाइज. Honestly speaking, it is not the drug, it is the other measures which is more important for the degenerative osteoarthritis, degenerative arthritis, weight reduction, precaution and quadriceps strength. That is foremost important to preserve the joint and to to reduce the graph of the arthritis. Exercise, all exercise are important, but targeted exercise related to the joint, that is most important. Stretching exercise, because these joints are usually tight and structures are tight, so they are helpful in bringing the less in pain and stretching the good range of motion. Strengthening in osteoarthritis quadriceps, that is most important. We should taught them properly. And aerobic, overall aerobic exercises. So these, as I mentioned, avoided once you start having problem. You can see if you do all these activity, walking में ज़्यादा कुछ patellofemoral joint ज़्यादा, there is not much force in this laboratory study. But if you do these things, you can see how much force is generated across the joint. So avoid these when you have problem. What I have seen in my life, surgical intervention is influenced by market forces. Or it changes with the, changing with the, changing with the time. So there are two bad reasons for that: to capture the market, to make more money. But honest efforts are also being made to preserve and make the joint everlasting. And dollar-driven things is everywhere in any field. So there is only one letter difference between hype and hope. Many things, they come with the great hope, but they are hype. And what old standard things for they are condemned, just creation of fear about them. They are gold standard, more than 20 years result, more than 25 years result. Just create fear and new things. I have seen in my many joints, they came with the towering claim, and either they disappeared or banned or surgeon stopped using them. So, thank you, thank you. So many things we do it differently in the country. Dimple knows that we deliver lecture, many practice, we do it differently on many surgical interventions, many things we do not do. I love few things, as I mentioned, I will not go into the detail. So regarding the surgical intervention, joint preservation has been covered by Dr. Prathamesh. And synovectomy, it has a role in the rheumatoid arthritis. And HTO, Dr. Prathamesh nicely covered. It is very good intervention just to preserve the joint in Indian patient, in Indian scenario. And arthroscopy intervention in early stage, especially when there is a mechanical symptoms, then they are very much important as told. And especially when there is a locking, some loose body, some root damage. Otherwise, whenever there is a cartilage damage, you need joint replacement. So high tibial osteotomy is done when joint is, all measures has been failed, patient is in pain, and you want to preserve the joint and joint space is still there sufficient amount, then it should be done. And about the joint replacement, that is my field. So joint replacement in developed country, they are increasing with the pace of 10%. In India, growth is 30% because of all these reasons. Now our population is so big. Now people, they are bold, they are coming, they are asking, I want joint replacement, because they have confidence, faith about the joint replacement surgery. It is a fantastic surgery, provided done properly. So if you go through the tree, this is another research. Joint replacement बहुत महंगा इलाज नहीं है, लाइफ टाइम में एक बार इन्वेस्टमेंट है, उसके बाद सारा आपका रिकरिंग कॉस्ट खत्म हो जाता है. दिस इज स्टडी, आई एम जस्ट फॉरगेटिंग द नेम ऑफ द जनरल. सो इट इज द मोस्ट लीस्ट एक्सपेंसिव सर्जरी. नाउ which joint has to be replaced? Knee and hip joint, they are most widely replaced, and these two joints have excellent result. And that has revolutionized the whole orthopedics field, and they really changed the life of the patient. And really these two joints are very satisfying. And if you go through the survival, more than 95% survival up to 15 years and more than 90% survival up to the 20 years. मतलब I say, whenever you are आप 50 के ऊपर हो joint अगर replace, if it is done properly, most important, there should not be any complication. It is lifelong. I say to my patient in OPD. And about why to replace the joint. These are the three main reasons where joints are replaced. Pain is the most important, most common cause for joints are replaced. When pain is very much on daily basis, on daily activity, and your walk is significantly affected, even वहाँ जाने के लिए भी आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, पड़ोस में जाने के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा, तो then this is the time X-ray, we have seen the X-ray, cartilage has gone, we have seen the what is the age of the patient, that is the time a joint has to be sacrificed. And sometime like here, juvenile rheumatoid arthritis, here deformity, patient cannot lead the normal life. Here pain may not be there, but because of deformity, joint can be sacrificed and stiffness. So when patient life is significantly affected on day-to-day basis, joint has to be sacrificed. And like here, this patient, Indian laborer or farmer, you can see badly damaged joint, but he is happy. बहुत ज़्यादा पेन नहीं है डॉक्टर साहब, बहुत ज़्यादा काम करता हूँ, बाहर खेत में काम करता हूँ, तो फिर परेशानी हो जाती है. जॉइंट एक्सरे वाइज देखोगे पेशेंट आपके पास नहीं, यू विल से गो फॉर जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट. But here I will not offer joint replacement. Patient is fine if he takes painkiller or something once or twice in a week. So it has to be kept, patient has to be kept on non-operative line. So I call joint replacement, these are the internal amputations for me. We should try to preserve the natural joint, but whenever whenever required, these really change the quality of patient. So it should be done. So expectation of farmers, of Indian farmers and these and Western farmers, they are not same. So when we are offering joint replacement, think about the overall situation and scenario. So decision to be taken, all which processes to use. There are more than 150 types of processes. These are all confusing. So choose any standard plant, but most important I have realized in my life, quality of surgery. You have to be good surgeon. You use any technology if you are not a good surgeon, because whenever technology comes, it do few steps, and joint replacement need more than 2 dozen steps. Or every step has to be good, and a mistake at any step may lead to failed joint. आपने 23 step अच्छे कर दिए, 24वां ठीक नहीं है. So technology does only few steps. So half joint, this is the half joint replacement. So I have not much experience of half joint replacement. I go for STO in Indian scenario, then doing the half replacement. So these are the basic steps of joint total knee replacement, soft tissue balancing. Like Dr. Shetty mentioned, instability, unsatisfied patient. So balancing is most important for the total knee arthroplasty. Then bone cuts, then cementing. All three components, they are very important. How it is being done. We peel off the lower part of femur, upper part of tibia, and how it is done. So I will not go into the detail. So we do it differently, as I told you. Basically, I believe in minimum bone cut, minimum release, and choosing the preserving implant. I use cruciate retaining implant. It is used by very few surgeons in the country, but it is really good patient post-operative recovery. So then blood transfusion, even if you do not call physiotherapist at home, if you are done less release, so results are very good. As I told you, which matters more? Surgeon. And we have done in Leh Ladakh 300 joint replacement. Our work has been reflected in Limca book, then British Medical Journal editorial. And that was the basic infrastructure. So no infection, 2 infection, but we preserve the joint. So it is the surgeon which is important. Infrastructure is number 2, then joint. Lastly, I say. We have done more than 300 joint replacement in Village, Hamirpur.
Sir, last 1 minute.
Yeah. So no infection over there. And so surgeon, surgical skills, most important. Age is not a criteria. Duration, 2-3 days. If you have different type of surgery, no need of blood transfusion except in bilateral total hip replacement. And patient quality of life, goes, this is our lay work, patient second day walking, and third day they go for up and down stair after the surgery. And all they can resume all the activity after the, except high impact activity should be avoided. Otherwise, these things avoided, they can do that, but it should be all these golf, hiking, these can be done. And newer technology, they are at radar. We have to keep our finger crossed on newer technology. So overall message is management of arthritis is teamwork. Orthopedic surgeon has only surgical role. Rheumatologist has role of medical management. Orthopedician should not hesitate to take the expert opinion from the rheumatologist. Orthopedician should try to preserve the joint, not to sacrifice the joint. And result of TKR, THR are excellent, provided done properly, surgical skills. Almost all designs, they give equally good results. And be cautious, beware of newer designs, technology, and market forces in arthroplasty. Thank you.